Hi, hello, and welcome to Passionate Storyteller channel. Today we are going to see a topic from literary criticism. Our topic is formalism. So let's see what is formalism. So let's see the exact meaning of formalism. Formalism means it deals a formal structure of a text. This is what exact meaning of formalism. This formalism was emerged in Russia and Poland at the beginning. In Russia, it was found in the period of 1915 at St. Petersburg by Viktor Slosky. In Poland, this formalism was begun from 1911 to 1914. Then this formalism also called as Russian formalism in 20th century. Actually, formalism is based on the technical purity. It is divided into two branches that are Russian formalism and new criticism. So let us see Russian formalism and new criticism. So first let's see Russian formalism. So this Russian formalism always focused on scientific analysis of a poetry and poetic language. So the Russian formalism will give detailed ideas of scientific analysis of poetry and poetic language. So and then it was founded in Moscow Linguistic Circle in 1914 by Roman Jakobson. Then Russian formalism's principle is it always analyzes literature and it should be factual. It always focusing literature in a factual meaning. Then linguistics also an aspect of Russian formalism. It is also said in this Russian formalism theory. This is what Russian formalism. This is the meaning of Russian formalism. Then let's see new criticism. This new criticism is also an American literary theory, and it argues that text should be very closely read and that text should be analyzed without referring any other external materials. That this is what the meaning of new criticism. So this new criticism focusing text it also expecting every reader should read a text very closely without referring any other materials or any other text. This is what the expectation of new criticism. So this new criticism it doesn't deal cultural, political or social issues around a text. It focus only on a text only. So it is not focusing any other thing around the text like cultural, political or social issues. Then this formalism is one of a important in our literary theory, and that is why it is also said as a school of literary theory and criticism. And then this new criticism or else this formalism is focusing on structural purpose of particular text. Then so this formalism is a study of text without talking into any account outside influence. So this formalism always focusing only text, not any other external things. Then it also includes notes, genres, discourse and forms. In literary theory, this formalism refers to analyze, interpret, evaluate the feature of a text. So this formalism analyzing, interpreting, evaluating a particular text. Then this feature also includes, which means this features analyzing grammar, syntax, literary devices, meters, tropes, everything. So it also analyzing, interpreting, evaluating, analyzing a particular text, grammar, syntax, literary devices, meter, tropes, everything. Then the writer of formalism, they are focusing to evaluate a particular work on its own terms, and it focus on form, organization, structure and word choice. So thank you viewers, I think so you all enjoyed this formalism. So it is a short topic. This is a full explanation for this theory formalism. Thank you all. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel Then don't forget to click on the bell button, share it and like it. Thank you all.